Hello class, this is the 5th grade curriculum and we're going to go over the syllabus. So this course was designed for students that are failing English, reading, writing, and math, and history also. So this course will help the students improve on their academics, improve their grades so they can catch up with their fellow classmates. So for week 1, we're going to focus on reading. The students will have a discussion. They're going to have reading passages through read works, and they're also going to use articles using Newsella. And they're going to answer the questions through race. They're going to use reading eggs. So the reading eggs, they're going to do it at least 30 minutes each day, Monday through Friday. They're going to have a quiz and a collaborative meeting through Zoom that will be held with the instructor, and parents are mandatory to be involved in. So for week 2, we're going to do reflex math. The students are going to do reflex math at home as part of homework, 30 minutes each day, Monday through Friday. They're going to have discussions that will be provided. They're going to have work problems that they have to submit, and also a collaborative meeting using Zoom. And they're going to have a lesson through Second Life. There's going to be a quiz also every week. On week 3, we're going to be focused on writing. So we're going to use a journal. They're going to answer the question using race. Race is restate, answer the question, cite with evidence, and explain the citation that you chose. We're going to focus on grammar. And there's going to be essays, persuasive, informative, narrative, and biography. And there's going to be discussions, a collaborative Zoom meeting. The students will be doing graphic organizers. They can choose Venn diagrams. They're going to submit it through the Moodle course. And there's going to be reading eggs as well to improve their writing skills. And there's going to be spelling. So week 4 will focus on discussions, also collaborative meeting through Zoom. There will be virtual reality field trips that will be in class, during class, and there's going to be a quiz. There's going to be a video that the students will be creating using Powtoons for their final project, and also a journal, and the students will use a newspaper online that they're going to submit through the Moodle course. Okay, so this is the syllabus. So as you see, it has the instructor's name and the office hours that students are able to reach me during class periods, and my email address. So like I mentioned before, this course is designed to provide a better understanding for reading, math, writing, and history. So at the end of the course, the students will improve on their academics. This course will offer additional support for these students that are failing. So the course materials are going to be Chromebooks, and the course objective, they have to apply comprehension, monitoring strategies for informational and technical materials, complex narratives, and expository, determine importance, and summarize the text. The students will quote from the text, and they have to explain what they quote. Students will understand math, and they have to have reason through math, like word problems. The students are going to use graphic organizers to explain their writing. The students will use their time wisely to finish their assignments. And in history, they're going to use a lot of visual charts, graphs, photographs, videos, or maps. And like we've already discussed what's going on week 1, week 2, week 3, and week 4. So this is a grading policy. And this is a rubric. So the quiz, it gives you what is required to have a passing grade in the quiz. And the discussions, the students must use race to answer the question, and they have to answer to at least 3 classmates. And the rubric of the essay as well. So this is a video So they have to use PAL 2s, and then we're going to explain a little bit more on the project. Okay, so this is where you can click to see the syllabus again if you want to go over it one more time. And for reading, there's a quote that I really like. Books are the place, the train, and the road. And here we go to reading week quiz. So you will have to click on the article, and then you're going to answer these questions with 3 paragraphs. So we click on the article. And we look at it. You can hear it. It reads it to you. And of course, we're going to create an account in the classroom. And the school will be given a Google account for the students to use as well. And then you're responsible to do the vocabulary and the additional questions as a quiz. And also so we're going to go to Newsela, and it tells you directly what you have to answer and the steps. So we're going to create an account through Newsela in the classroom. So how Newsela works is these are articles that you can even go lower down a grade level. If you're not at 5th grade level, you're having a difficult time understanding the material, you can go even lower. And we press it here where it says level. You can go even lower, or you can go to a 6th grade level. It depends on how you're understanding the material. So we're going to go to the activities, and you're going to do the activities that are required for you to do. And this is the article that you're supposed to do this week. So you're responsible to do reading eggs, at least 30 minutes each day, Monday through Friday, to improve your reading skills. And right here it provides you the website that you're supposed to go to as well. We are on week 2 on Second Life. So Second Life, there will be a lesson held through virtual reality. You're going to click on the video, and then we're going to click on video number 2. And right here, it shows you how to do the steps. So Second Life, we're only going to use Second Life during class session. And this is a video that you're going to use that was recorded by me as well.
Hello, my name is Cassandra Gonzalez, and we're going to be going over
the math discussion. The math discussion, it shows you a video. So this video is going to give you a better understanding on decimals, and I really like this video. And then you have to agree or disagree with this video, help you understand decimals better. And then just click here, and the video plays automatically by itself. So now we're going through word problems. Okay, so these are word problems. So you're going to click on the attachments, and you're going to submit your work on a Google Docs, or you can submit it there also. And it shows you the worksheets that you're supposed to do online to help you with word problems better. So now we're moving on to virtual manipulatives, the assignment. So there is a video that was also made by me using this website, and we can play, and it shows you a better understanding of how to understand decimals. That's what we're going over, and it plays automatically by itself. And we click right here, it shows the website, and also it explains the steps, and these are the math problems that you're going to submit. So we click on the website, and it takes you automatically there. So we have to wait for it to load also, and it shows you how to use it, and simple as that. And this is the decimal quiz, and then you can just submit it automatically. So then we go to the collaborative meeting that will be held through Zoom, and it gives you the directions of how to get into it, but of course you have to be with a parent, guardian, someone that's older 18. And then reflex math that you have to do 30 minutes each day, Monday through Friday. There's the steps on how to get into it, the school will provide you with a username and password. So there's a geometric sequence, and this is very fun. This is a fun activity that students are able to create an avatar using this website. So we click on this website and it takes you directly to the geometric sequence, and also you're going to be able to post a picture of what you built. So this is a website, and you can easily put a triangle in here and try to make a visual that you want. You can create like a sun, and this is a website that it's very helpful and it's fun to use. Okay, so now we're writing. If I can think it, I can say it. If I can say it, I can write it. If I can write it, I can read it, and so can others. I really like this quote. So we're going to have a spelling activity. So these are the 10 words of the week, and you're going to do a word search, and you're going to use Google Docs, and there will be a demonstration in class to do this also. So we're going to have a journal, and this is the question. Something I want to invent to make life better is you're going to write at least one paragraph and remember to use race, and this explains what race has. And then, of course, quote from an article that you find, and make sure you post the website so I can go ahead and look at it. So we're going to move on to grammar. So grammar, there's going to be this activity that I will post online, and then you're going to correct the sentences, and you can either use Google Docs and send the document in, and then I'll show you how to do that in class. And there's going to be a persuasive essay that you're going to use, and these are the steps of the persuasive essay as well. Are video games good for kids? And the graphic organizers. So you're going to be able to fill out the template of the 5-paragraph essay of one of the essays that you're working on, the persuasive essay, etc. Make sure that you answer them, each question, paragraph 1 through 5. Make sure you check the spelling and grammar. If you want to use a different graphic organizer, make sure you email me, and so I can say that you're good to go. So the essays. So these are going to be 2 essays. The first essay is informative essay. Who is your favorite superhero, and why did you choose that superhero? You can use templates that are right here that you can use a graphic organizer to help you with the narrative and the informative. And then the narrative is what would you do if you became mayor? And these are the steps. You're going to use Google Docs, and you're going to submit it individually, and I will show you how to do that in class. So there's going to be a writing quiz. Your writing quiz. What makes you the person you are today? And there's a graphic organizer to help you do your essay better. And of course, a discussion. There's a video to help you with that also about bullying. And then, of course, reading eggs. So now we're going to move on to history. So history, we're going to have a meeting, and it gives you the directions right there automatically. And then the video. The video that you're supposed to do, it shows you the directions of how to use it, and it gives you the steps. And then also the discussion. So here's a video of who do you disagree or agree that Harry Truman is an American hero. There's a video that I created also. And the discussion. The discussion is a video, and then the journal also. The journal, you click on the blog, and then you answer the question in the blog. It takes you directly